Hello and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create these two French twist hairstyles. I really hope you find this helpful and let's begin. To start, you want to prep your hair with a texture spray to give more grip and hold. I'm using the Amika Undone one. You also want to be using hairpins rather than bobby pins for this first style, so they're slightly wider. Just find they work best. To start, you want to gather your hair back as if you're creating a low ponytail. Next, take the end of the ponytail and twist this up and around your hand at the base, creating a loop. Next, twist the loop inwards on itself and twist your hair up. I will show you that again. So grab the ends of your ponytail and wrap this once around your hand at the base, creating a loop and then twisting the hair upward. The more times you twist the loop around itself, it will make the hairstyle tighter and it will also tuck in the rest of the hair. Once you're happy with the shape, you can then bobby pin on one side of the twist. Next, you want to add your pins into the twist at a slight angle. So you can then pull the pin back on itself so it's flat against your head and then push it into the twist. This will create more tension. You want to repeat this the whole way down. If you have any ends poking out, you can just tuck them back into the twist and secure with pins. If you have any flyaways like I do here, you can add a tiny bit of hairspray and use the back of the can to smooth anything down. This is the final look. For this next style, which is an elevated version, you want to begin by sectioning off some hair on one side, so from the crown to the back of your ear. With your remaining hair, you want to tie this into a middle ponytail. Next, you want to carefully loosen the ponytail elastic so you can create a part directly underneath the hair elastic with your fingers. Then pull your ponytail through this part and tighten the hair elastic, creating two small twists. Bring the ponytail up and across, then loop it around your hand so that it lays flat against your head. Then you want to pin on one side, and I'm using regular bobby pins for this. With the pins, you want to make sure that you're opening them before you apply them into your hair, just so that they have better grip. You can also pin at the base just to cover up that hair elastic. With the remaining ends, you want to twist this around itself to create a bun at the top. And it doesn't matter if it's messy or you can see the pins because we're going to be covering up with the section that we left out. Lastly, you want to take down that side section and just loosely sweep this up and around the twist that you created around the top of the bun and making sure to bobby pin the sides. Then with the remaining ends, you can twist this back into the top of that twist to create a bun shape and bobby pin everything in place. To finish off the look, I'm just adding some loose waves at the front. So this is the final look. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one.